In the tax modules for My Task LMS, we will train your tax and accounting managers on how to prepare 1120Ss. So we will actually provide, in this particular example, we will provide a video on how to set up the tax codes, how to do S-Corp basis and basis restoration, and then provide about a 20-minute video walkthrough of how to prepare a return efficiently in UltraTax. So if you are familiar with UltraTax, it uses folders and tabs, and we want them to work left to right, top to bottom. So we start at the top folder, we work across the tabs, we move down to where they're not bouncing back and forth and wasting keystrokes. As we walk them through the various tax modules, they will prepare a 1120S, they'll prepare a 1065, which once again, we are providing all the sample set of data. And at the end of each module, they are tested or assessed on the skills that they learned in that module. So by the time they finish the 1065, they're going to have to answer questions around the 1065 that they performed or they prepared, and only upon successful completion will it allow them to move to the next module. So we will have them prepare multiple 1120Ss and 1120 with state returns, several 1040s. Then we will walk them through some advanced tax issues such as how to do multi-state apportionment, qualified charitable distributions, S-Corp family attribution rules for 2% S health insurance, how to do a 9465 installment agreement. Then scrolling back down to the tax modules, how to properly complete the FinCEN 114 and 8938, how to prepare a 6252 installment sale, how to handle a Roth IRA conversion in UltraTax, how to do the M1 adjustments for accrual to cash conversion, how to do non-resident returns. So this would be a 1065 with foreign partners, and the 1040 non-resident. How to review financial statements properly. So this is if you have your managers reviewing the monthly financial statements, we walk them through the steps of what they need to look at to properly review. M2C2 is monthly meaningful client contact. So these would be the things to talk with your client or discuss with the client on an ongoing basis. Pension plans. So once again, we look for things that we can train that are repeatables. So this would be a PDF on pension plan decision tree. It'll ask a series of questions. How big is the company? How much do they want to contribute? Do they want their employees to be vested? And this will then help them choose what pension plan is right for that company. And finally, we will wrap up with a little bit of high income earner tax planning and creating a tax plan using Thomson Reuters Planner. So this will walk them through the 5 or 6 scenarios at end of year. Do they want to do a bonus, no bonus, with whole Section 179, no 179, bonus depreciation? And finally, walking them through maybe 5 or 6 scenarios that they can present to the client on different tax strategies. So we try to end the tax module with forward-thinking tax planning for a future year versus historian tax preparation.